Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone doing well and enjoying yourself. Dear students, in the previous video we learnt about how to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of moreover, since, as and because. And now in this video we are going to learn about how to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of one, after, and second one, before, and third one, when. So before going to start this section, I would like to tell you one thing. These three are very common. We have to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of these three words in a same way. How it is possible, let me teach you. Okay students? Look at the example. I brushed my teeth, I ate my breakfast. So basically here the two actions happened in the past and two sentences are in simple past tense. So definitely one action happened faster than another in the past time. So what happened faster? That is, firstly we have to find out and we should write that action into past perfect tense. Already we learned the thing in tenses. Okay, so in past perfect tense what we have to write, what kind of expressions we express, the action which had happened, which had been happened faster than another action. So basically these two are, I brushed my teeth, simple past tense, I ate my breakfast, that is also simple past tense. So basically two expressions are in simple past tense in this example. So that's why we have to find out first which action happened and that action we have to write in a past perfect tense. Let me first, I brushed my teeth and I ate my breakfast. So basically usual habit by everyone, basically they first brush their teeth, then only they have their breakfast. So I brushed my teeth, we have to write that into I had brushed my teeth, I ate my breakfast. So basically after brushing teeth everyone takes their breakfast. That is usual habit by everyone, it is a universal fact. Okay, 90% of people will do this. First they will brush their teeth, then only they will take their breakfast. Okay, so now answer. So how do we combine these two expressions? I had brushed my teeth, I ate my breakfast, with the help of after, before, when. Okay, I will teach these three words in a single example, so please concentrate and watch it very carefully. Okay, first after. So basically after I had brushed my teeth, after I had brushed my teeth, comma, okay, not full stop. Teeth, I ate my breakfast. So this is the way to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of after. So after I had brushed my teeth, I ate my breakfast. Dear students, did you remember you learned this in a 9th class, first unit, the snake and the mirror. It is the thing what we are getting in that textbook grammar topic about. Okay. So after I had brushed my teeth, I ate my breakfast. Now let us see how to combine these two expressions with the help of before. So basically before, first we have to complete this thing. I had brushed my teeth. So when I had brushed my teeth, before I ate my breakfast. So here we have to write before I ate my breakfast. And students, one more thing. So I had brushed my teeth. After immediately we should give comma. Before we should give comma. Before. Okay, are you understanding me? So I had brushed my teeth, comma, before I ate my breakfast. Okay. Now let us see how to combine the same expressions as a single expression with the help of when. So let when I had brushed my teeth, come, I ate my breakfast. I ate my breakfast. So dear students, this is the way to combine two sentences with the help of after and with the help of before and as well as with the help of when. Okay? So this is the way to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of these three words. So, but in a question paper they will ask any one of these three. But they won't ask three words at a time in a question paper. But whatever he asks in a question paper, but this is the way to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the given words. Okay, that is the thing what we have to learn today. Okay. Now please look at the second example. I felt seriously ill. I met doctor. So these two are simple past tense expressions. So firstly we have to convert that one expression into past perfect, and then second one is simple past tense as usual. Now let us see. So which happened first? Basically falling ill happened first, then only we will meet doctor. So without falling ill, need to meet any doctor for the treatment? No. So definitely falling happened faster than meeting. So that is the thing. And now that's why I would like to write this. I had fell seriously ill. I met doctor. So second action we should copy into the answer as usual. Okay, simple past tense. That is, already we have an idea about that thing in the tenses. We learned everything about that. Now let us see how to we combine these two sentences with the help of after, before, and when. It is easy. So okay, first after. So after I had fell seriously ill, comma, I met doctor. I met doctor. And dear students, if you want to write, I met doctor after I had fell seriously ill. So you can write like that also. So no need to always write always I had fell seriously ill, I met doctor. So if you would like to write I met doctor after I had fell seriously ill, that is also correct. That is also makes some sense. So what we have to do? We have to make some sensible sentences. So how we are writing, that is doesn't matter, but are we making sensible sentences or not? That is very important to think. Then only we should think about construction of a sentence. Okay, dear students, I am hoping you are understanding all this. So, but if you want to write, you have one more path or way to write. I met doctor. So you can write that first, then comma. After that, you can write after I had fell seriously ill. You can write like that also, and ill ends with the full stop. So that is thing. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write that way. That as a student you have to know that. That's why I taught you that. Okay. Next, before. So how can we write? I had fell seriously ill, comma, before I met doctor. I met doctor. Okay. Next, when. So when I had fell seriously ill, I met doctor. So these all are the ways to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of after, before, and as well as when. Okay students, let me give you another way how to we combine this First expression, let me write here. I met doctor, comma, after. Here we should write small letter. After I had felt seriously ill. So it ends with the full stop. So you can write and you can choose to write in this way also. There is no more mistake at all. So and in this way you can write all these examples also. There is nothing problem and there is nothing mistake at all. Okay. So if you want to write and then in that way also. So students, I hope you learned how to combine two sentences as a single sentence with the help of after, before and when. Okay students. So if you have any doubts to combine any kind of a problems, please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Definitely I will send you answers for all the questions. Okay students, I'm hoping you enjoyed with this video and you are learning properly, and don't forget to note down everything in your notebook. That is very important thing. Don't forget this, and learn everything properly and make some more sentences and take a good practice. Then only you will get good idea, because I don't have much time to give more examples. That I hope you please understand me. And if you get any school period, definitely I will give you more example for until you understand. So I can't do anything more than that in this video. So it is a video, that's why I have to maintain some duration of time period. That's why I'm giving only few examples. So I hope you can definitely understand me in that. And thanks for watching this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you students. Thanks for watching this video once again.